Thought pink polos I hurt the rock before Cam got the shit to pop. The doors is closed. I felt like bad boy street.
Go to lunch in the Jewish community. I won't tell on the bros for the immunity. Can't beat them, that shit ain't gon' ruin me.
Hey loves, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hi, my name is Tatiana Marie. Make sure to subscribe. Gracias. Today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how I got my hair like this. This looks so cute. Yeah, we did a little different today, and today we have in hair from Westkiss Hair. They sent me their highlighted frontal wig. Y'all, this wig looks so good. Do y'all see the highlights on this wig? It looks too good. But yeah guys, if you want to see how I got my hair like this, then just make sure to keep on watching the video. Okay guys, so here is the wig, and I already bleached the knots, plucked the hairline, and tinted my lace with the lace tint spray by Eben. All I did was spray my hair with the melting spray, and I'm just blow drying that on cool for about 30 seconds to a minute. Now I'm just placing my wig right on top of that product and just combing it through. Now I'm just going back in with that product so our hair can be nice and secure. You already know. And I'm just wrapping my hair with an elastic band and blow drying that for another 1 to 2 minutes on cool heat still. Now we're just going to be cutting out our ear tabs and cutting off our lace. When I cut my lace, I like to do small cuts, and I like to cut all my lace off. I don't want to see any extra lace. Like, look at that. Like, what? And now I'm just parting my hair. When I part my hair on the side part, I like to do like a C curve, and I'm just taking my wax stick. That's gonna be linked down in the description box. I can't believe I forgot what the wax stick was called. But now I'm just hot combing my hair so it can be flat. Y'all already know. Like, if you don't, then you don't watch me. And I did my baby hairs off camera because I have so many videos showing you guys how I do my baby hairs. Like, I just feel like adding it is just unnecessary. But right now I'm just sectioning my hair off and spraying that with some heat protectant spray so we can start our wand curls. And all I do is take a small section and I just wrap my hair around the wand curler, and I do a slight twist when I'm wrapping my hair around the wand curl too. And make sure you're holding your wand curl like how I'm holding it, because it gives more volume to the curl.
Go to lunch in the Jewish community. I won't tell on the bros for the immunity. Can't beat them, that shit ain't gon' ruin me. I'm the only one now let out do me. I got hoes by the crew tryna do me. My life like a movie, get hit in the water. Don't got put in no work, I in order. This shit ain't got serious, the millions come plural. I'm living by morals, we swiping and keeping no word. This floor, I'm young and I'm turned, I got pictures galore. My baby mom will cost 250, I'm splurging. Got 5 million cash just in case if you merging. My young niggas kill, get away, they be virgin. It happen like this, I ain't do it on purpose. I'm working my move, nigga, who for you working? I turned on my coupe, bought a coupe off of version. I'm tired of these strippers, I'm going that nurses and doctors and dentists. You started, I finished, I told you we with it.
Now you should be looking like this. I look a little crazy, but we're just gonna comb that through with a skinny comb.
I tell them no, they gon' listen. Knowing these niggas be sweet and some bitches, I'm different. She tryna leave me, I'm low down. I hang with savages, don't bring your whole round. I'm going bougie, I'm switching my profile. All of my cars get delivered.
When you're done combing it through, just try to fluff your hair out. you know, just make it look to how you want it to look, you know. Fix it up, touch it up, do whatever you feel like doing to make it look a little better, and you're done. And this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one. So bye guys.